How to return on Adidas app. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can return on Adidas app. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to launch the Adidas application and then head over, click on the profile icon at the top right. Once you do so, you should see something like this. So you're going to click on order history over here and you should see all of the items that you have bought. You should see all of them over here. So in order to return it, you're going to simply click on that item and you should see an option of return and refund. Click on it and tell them your problem and they will look into the matter. But if that doesn't work, no need to worry. Simply go back to your profile, scroll down, click on need help and then click on start chat. So once you click on that, you should be redirected to a chat option where you can chat with any Adidas representative and tell them your issue. So you're going to click on returns and refunds over here. And then they're going to ask you what is the problem, such as a question about returns or refund. What do you want to know? How to make a return? I need a return label, status of my return, status of my refund, something else. So now they're going to ask you, let's get you on your way with your return. So you're going to select steps for return in order to know how you can return. So you're going to click on steps for return. And then they're going to tell you how you can return it. So basically, you got to pack your item and you got to request for a return label. Adidas will send you a return label that you got to print and paste that on the item and then dispatch it on the address that they provide you. So that is basically how to return on Adidas app. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.